and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me in a while, then hello, how are you? I hope you're feeling blessed. Let me know down below how you're feeling because I want to know. But today I am coming to you guys to talk about this gorgeous unit that I'm rocking right now that's giving, she's giving the vibe, you know, she's giving cute, you know. I feel like a baddie in this hair, I'm not gonna lie. So I wanted to share with you guys all the details on this hair and jump right on into regular business as scheduled. So this unit is a body wave 24-inch unit. It has 3 clips, one in the back, 2 on the sides. And then I ended up having my stylist install an elastic band in that because this is a glueless install, you guys. Yes, it is. So you guys, I ended up having this unit installed by my stylist. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just clips from that process. But
girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love. Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, working all day.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Myself, the only note that my stylist gave me was that the hair doesn't hold a curl that well, which is very soft and pretty, but I would agree that it's not gonna hold the best curl. Now I'm sure if you use like gallons of hairspray you could get it to hold, but that's not what I was trying to do. I was trying to go for, you know, y'all know I love a good messy look, so it don't bother me. I would buy this hair, but if you're someone that's like, nah, I need my curls to stay intact, I want tight ringlets, I want the hair to hold, maybe this hair isn't for you. But if you're someone that loves the effortless, like someone that just loves the effortless it girl look, then this is for you, okay? Because it's giving. Like, y'all see this? Hair's just honestly so beautiful. Like, I just want to keep it in soft forever and just be a baddie and look this good all the time. Like, is that too much to ask for, to look good all the time?